So I'm gonna rattle off a few things first and let you guys know what's going on so you can hear me better. So check this out. This is my personal truck that I've been driving for the past, I don't know how many thousands of miles or so. Anyways, rattling it off, here we go. It's a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado Ltz Z71. Super gorgeous truck inside and out. I'm gonna go over a bunch of the features with you guys and what this truck has, what it's capable of, aftermarket stuff on it, and all the goodies. So anyways, when I first got it, it had 60-something thousand miles on it. Right now it's got about 70,500 miles on it. I do drive it, so anyways, 6.6 Duramax. It's got the driver alert package, and I'll emphasize on that real quick. So it's the best thing. I call it my personal DD. Anyways, what it does is you're probably familiar with it if you guys have seen or heard it. And I'm gonna try to make this video not boring, so I'm gonna hurry up and spit it out kind of quick. So driver alert package is an awesome feature. People wonder why they put so much research and development into these vehicles, hence an expensive price for these brand new friggin', you know, Duramax and all the friggin' top of the line trucks and shit that you see for $60,000, $70,000. Reason is why is because it prevents accidents. It helps you drive the truck, which can be a good thing and a bad thing in certain ways. So when you're driving, if you have the driver alert system on, it's a button. When you get out of your lane, no bullshit, it'll vibrate the left-hand cushion of your seat or the right-hand cushion of your seat. When you're coming up fast on another car or truck or vehicle or whatever, an object, the windshield has a LED bar, red LED bar that flashes real fast and your entire seat vibrates. I'm not gonna say it's saved me from almost getting in an accident or getting close to one, but I had a few close calls, and that truck's helped me. With that said, I love the truck, and that's why I've been driving it. I just got it detailed. I decided to put it up for sale. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe while you're at it. Check this out, and let's see what we got going on here. I'll take the camera from my handy dandy cameraman right here. God damn, big recycling thing going by. So anyways, super nice truck, okay? Z71 package. This has Fox Shocks suspension. It's a coilover suspension kit with two-way adjustable shocks, okay? And it's just a beautiful setup right here. It actually eliminates the torsion bars. So it's a full coilover suspension kit, all right? You got high speed and low speed, I don't know if you guys can see that, adjustments right here. So awesome setup. You can finagle with it and kind of tune it to the way you like. The paint's in friggin' phenomenal shape, as you can see. Gorgeous truck. It's tinted. My favorite thing about this truck is it's super friggin' blacked out. All the windows. Front windshield's tinted. That's my preference. Now you can get it, if you guys like this truck, you want to buy it, I can get the tint taken off for you. But it's 5% on the sides, and I think like 50 or whatever the hell it is on the front. It's sinister. It's a badass looking truck. I mean, I'm totally head over heels in love with this truck. Okay, I put all LED lights in the front and in the fog lights. It has a B&W gooseneck hitch. These are a set of 22 by 12 Fuel Mavericks, okay? They're wrapped in a set of 33, 12, 50, 22-inch Nitto Trail Grappler tires. So, like I said, they're pretty nasty, and they're a great tire. Amazing wheel. It's got an axle dump exhaust. Oh, you know, just an axle dump with a little tip on it, whatnot. Rear Fox shocks. It's fully deleted. It's got a 4-inch turbo back exhaust. Here's the bed. It's got a spray-in bed liner. And also, one more thing too. What the guy did, who I bought it from, cool ass dude by the way, is he had a little attachment in here, 7-way installed. He had a 7-way installed right here. That way you don't got to reach all the way around here when you're pulling your shit. You can just pop it right there, pop your gooseneck on, you're ready to roll. So awesome setup, guys. And I'll show you the inside. Fuck! Did I lock my keys in the goddamn truck? Oh, no, there we go. That's where I started it. Ready? So here's the inside, super clean. It's got a full WeatherTech floor mat kit in here. Obviously I got my personal stuff in here, my lockout kit, my jumper cables and whatnot. Not too much storage space under the seats, as you can see, but I love it. And I'm totally in love with this truck. Can't explain it enough. 70,000 miles on it. Backup camera, navigation. These cup holders pop up, by the way. You just pull it right up. There's more storage space. Hide your crack, your cocaine, your marijuana, your pills, whatever the hell you guys are into out there in that. In here you got your storage. I got my sunglasses, my winter fresh gum in case I get lucky. My little beacon light there. I don't know what the hell that is, but my guns, shit like that. You know, ample amount of storage space in there. Sunroof. Let's pump the engine, check out what's under the hood of this puppy. Let's check out the power plant, fellas. 6.6 Duramax. Boom. How you like that, cameraman? So look at it. Look at just how, when you're driving this truck, guys, no bullshit. It's like, it's inspiring to drive because it's got so much damn power and so much friggin' torque. It's just awesome. Really cool. I want to say it's like 390, if I'm not mistaken, 394 horsepower with like, I want to say like 760 foot-pounds of torque or some shit. You guys can critique me because I'm probably wrong off by a friggin' digit, but who knows? Check it out. Here's the engine, clean as hell, super, super nice. And now for the good part. Now I'm going to show you guys what's going on. So, hope you guys like the video of my personal truck that I finally decided to put up for sale. And now for the good part. Show you guys some videos of it running and driving and shit like that.